Surgery is a game of chess. First, there is the opening, where the surgical site is exposed according to the initial plan. Moving on to the middle game, your original plan may need to be reevaluated and adjusted due to unanticipated variations in anatomy, bleeding, and each body's unique response to being operated on. Sometimes you will need to think up to 10 moves ahead for every possible variation. In the event that everything goes according to plan, you will enter a state of flow, where your body and mind will know what needs to be done without having to think about it. You will enter a time warp where you maintain such intense focus on the task at hand that your awareness of anything beyond the performance seems to disappear. This is what allows the brain to operate at peak performance levels for extended periods of time, as surgeries and chess tournaments often take well over 6 hours to complete. But even in this state of flow, there needs to be a lot of quick decision making, which minimizes the time of surgery and keeps all your moves under 2 hours in chess. The objective of the endgame is to close the body back up and review your own game, comparing it to that of others. So do you agree that